Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Canon TS3320i, and now I can show you how to insert new cartridges on this device. So unfortunately this is not the tank type printer. This is the printer where we have the inks with the printhead. So you just should open the door, and when you will open this cover, not the scanner cover, but the cover of but this cover, and here inside you will see two places for your print heads with the ink, and you should open it. To do that, just here you have the button, so just press on it and pull it up, and in this way you will open the cover for black inks and for coloring. And for example, if you have black, so black new print head, so insert it here. If you have color, so insert it here. So that's it. Then just try to close this cover. You should open it for the end again and then release. In this way you will close the cover. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.